Whirling Waters vlog slides. Yeah. Say hi. Your mom. Goodbye. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Then wait. Are you using me as your defense? You here? Where are you leading me?
The white one?
I'm going to, hey, watch yourself. Ah, watch yourself. Bottom of the feet going first, we can go. Wait for? Sure.
Whoa. Should I take my hair down?
We can.
Yeah, it looks like it down there. It's kind of wet. Half dry good. Are we filming?
What did it look like?
Oh, I see. Wait. I don't really see anything. Kind of too light. Don't put me in your video.
If you end up being in it, I'll like blow your face.
Yeah. You guys feeling okay? You ready, Pink? You ready, Pink? Come on this side, come on that side.
I would go pink.
You guys could prop your tubes against the fence. She just tickled me with her hair.
That's rude. Ah,
Wait,
stop! Ow!
sorry. Dude, he's red.
Yeah, from her slapping me.
Sunburned from earlier too. Get a little sunburned. I actually can't tell whether it's sunburned or if it's tickling me.
I'm trying to get a video of this thing going down the slide. There it is.
Can I do the sound for them? Hey, that's me that hit me.
Oh. Oh.
Yay!
Yippee! Hooray!
Party USA!
So you guys come here often?
No.
Oh God. Oh! Hey! Why am I the one going backwards?
Can we sing?
Sure.
Party USA?
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins. Oh God. Oh! 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 Goody, 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 goody. Oh! That was heinous. Oh!
Got it, my eye! Okay.
Oh!
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Shay! Sorry, guys. Shay,